Hi, this is Dr. Ramesh Sharma, Director of Plastic Surgery at Paras Hospitals, Panchkula. Many times people have a doubt in their mind. Am I a good candidate for plastic surgery? Well, we must understand that plastic surgery is one specialty which helps you boost self-confidence and improve your body image. So, from that point of view, I feel everybody is a good candidate for plastic surgery. Many people may have doubts in their mind that if I am indulging in plastic surgery, is it an exercise in vanity? Well, the truth is, far from it, everyone amongst us the right to look at their best at any age. From that point of view, I would say everybody is a very, very good candidate for plastic surgery. The plastic surgeon can help you get over your feelings of inferiority if you have any. It can also try to help get back to the better shape. But what we must remember that plastic surgery is not a substitute for healthy lifestyle and a good dietary and exercise regime. During the course of our discussions, we will be discussing the various ways in which a plastic surgeon can help you get back the zing and the confidence back in your life.